In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over this magnetic socket rail set. This is 3 different sets. It's a 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and a 1/4 inch drive. And there's 12 clips on the 1/4 and 10 on the 3/8 and the 1/4 inch. Let me just like take them out right here. You can see I've already had these out and checked them all out, but I'm just going to show y'all again. They come nicely packaged here, just like this. And what I like about these, they have magnets on the back, so you can set these up on your toolbox. If you want to, you can line these up on your toolbox. There's a screw for adjustment right here and right there. If you want to take that screw out, you could take some of these out. You can see how that spins on there. I did get some sockets and put on this thing, and I'll show the sockets on it right now, turning them. I put a 1/4 inch socket on there on the 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch on the 1/2 and then a 3/8 on the 3/8, and kind of went through all of them. These are very high quality. I love the blue color on these, and I like how you can have the magnets for putting them onto a toolbox or something like that. This is something I recommend for anyone that's got, say, like a toolbox, or they're like wanting something quick where they could just pull a socket on and off. Maybe it's something that they use like a lot. And these look like they're polycarbonate right there. They're a very strong plastic, where this looks like it's more like a ABS type plastic. So very high quality made and pretty affordable. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the WORKPRO Socket rail set. See you on the next video.